So guys, what you are currently looking at is my Zoom H4n, and the problem that I had today was that my memory card unfortunately got stuck inside my Zoom H4n. So I pulled it apart and I had to see what was going on, and I found out that this hook right here is the reason why it's getting stuck. So as you can see, the memory card's in, you disengage it, it's supposed to pop out, but it won't pop out. So again, there's this hook right here, and all I have to do is really pull this forward right here. Got to get it perfect. And then pull it out. So push it in, disengage it, and then it pops out just like that. So if your memory card is ever missing its lock switch on the side, don't ever put it in a Zoom H4n recorder. Otherwise, you'll be having a mess like this. And now I have to reassemble my Zoom H4n. It still works in perfect condition. It wasn't that bad to deal with. And now I know what my Zoom H4n looks like on the inside. So it's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status. Follow me for more content. We will see you on the next video. We out.